Rallies were held across the state last night demanding to end suspension of agreement with Kuki militants. The rallies were held under the banner of Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity Kokomi following the approaching expiration date of the Sioux Pact with Chin Kuki narco-terrorist groups, which ends today. Many women folk adorned in red-colored clothes took to the streets yesterday evening, holding meras in their hands, demanding to take a stand on the abrogation of the Sioux Pact. Mera rallies were held in various areas of Imphal East, West, Taubal, Bishnupur and Kokching districts, with protesters chanting various slogans. Women folk of Pukaw Gram Panchayat in Kundrakpam constituency also organized a Mera rally yesterday. Protesters demanded to abrogate Sioux Pact with Kuki militants, inclusion of Meitei in ST list and implementation of NRC in Manipur. Mera Paibis of Sawambung area also carried out Mera rally at Sawambung Bazaar last evening. Rallies chanted slogans and displayed placards demanding withdrawal of Sioux truce with Kuki militants. Placards condemning killing of student, assault against journalist, damages to CSO officers were also displayed. Mera rally was also reportedly held at Lausangkong in Lamlai constituency, which has been classified as a red zone. Demanding to end the suspension of operation, agreement and implement NRC, removal of Assam rifles from Manipur, Kumbong Apunba Mera Paibi Loop also carried out a torch rally in and around Kumbong Bazaar last night. Nongpok Ingorok Mera Paibi Loop also carried out a torch rally from Nongpok Ingorok to Nongpok Sekmai, demanding to end Sioux agreement with Kuki militants. Tekcham Mayai Lekai Mera Paibi Apunba Loop also organized a rally across Standard Library cum Youth Organization SLYO Club Tekcham. Hairok Assembly constituency also witnessed Mera rally in various areas of the constituency. Ukongshang Apunba Mera Paibi Loop demanding immediate withdrawal of Sioux Pact with Kuki militants also carried out a torch rally at Ukongsang. Leisangtem Apunba Loop LAL Leisangtem also held a rally against extension of Sioux Pact and appealing to end the prevailing conflict. Urging the state government to refrain from extending Sioux agreement with Kuki militants, Mera Paibis of Govindagram Awanglekai in Imphal West District carried out a torch rally in the locality yesterday. Protesters chanted slogans demanding implementation of NRC to withdraw Sioux. They also urged the state government to consider the plights and sufferings facing the people owing to the prevailing unrest and resolve the crisis. They further condemned the recent assault of a journalist.